Hey guys, my name is Arthur Genser. I'm here today to tell you about why I want to move to Japan permanently. Um, let's start with a little bit about myself. You see, I am 18 years old, born and raised in the Hudson River area. I was born in New York, but have lived my pretty much my entire life in Fort Lee, New Jersey. And I've had a lot of exposure in this area to various different cultures, primarily Korean, Russian, Jewish, Italian, right? And that's influenced me a lot culturally in the way that I have preferences in certain things with like foods, for example, right? And one of those things was Confucianistic and East Asian cultures, right? Um, and I grew a really deep fascination for it. And I decided over the course of my life that I wanted to move to different places. One time I decided I wanted to move to Poland. One time I decided I wanted to move to Austria, to Luxembourg, to Finland, right? But eventually I settled on Japan for a bunch of reasons. Um, you see, Japan is a more collectivist society than America, which is very, very strongly individualistic culturally, right? And this is fine in both for both countries. But the thing is that for somebody like me, I prefer safety. I prefer law and order. I prefer a sort of safer, more, let's say, toned down society, right? Where there's a high emphasis on manners, a high emphasis on a societal good. But the thing is that there's a lot of places like that have those emphases, but then it sort of crushes on individualism a little bit too much because there should be important room for the individual, right? Because otherwise the individual becomes nothing at the whim of some greater purpose. So Japan provides a good balance between a collectivist society and its positive traits and is still a functioning and robust democracy where you can be individualistic to a healthy degree as well. And so that, in addition to high living standards, safe streets, clean streets, more affordability actually, even in spite of what people would say about Tokyo. Japan is not just Tokyo, there's the rest of the whole country, right? 120 million people. Um, and so, yeah, these are the reasons why I want to go to Japan. There's also even more reasons for other things, but I don't know if there's time for that in this introduction. That was just one part about me, and I look forward to maybe giving more presentations in this format. See you around.